It is of course only bad thing if you know something good. Many people don't know there is a fantastic world beyond the village exists. So whatever they've got, they accept. They accept very gracefully all the things they have. Death and the birth are taken equally. If somebody dies, they know they have to die sometimes. If somebody is born, they're big, happy moments. And whatever we grow, we eat. We don't expect anything. And people are happy doing that because they don't know anything different. They are tough because they have to be tough. If you go to school without shoes, this is not a big deal. If somebody sees some ill person, that's not a big deal. Woman knows what their job is and the men know what their job is. So we're all happy. They are low caste and high caste, but they know, or they realize their place, because we exist for working to each other. The poor people work for the rich, and rich pays them for their effort, and we're all happy. However, the children, they're growing up now, has a different attitude. They've realized there are things outside that they can't do it, they can't achieve if they work hard enough. So they are all striving to work hard, and they do enjoy going to school, and people are happy that their children go to school to make something out of themselves. All the bad things and all the nasty things I've said in so far is only through people like myself, through my eyes, because I've seen better than what I've seen in the village. But the people in the village have not seen anything, so they're happy and they're content with their little life.